Ladies and gentlemen, I'm over here trying to be a winner at Spinner. And speaking of winner, I'm hanging out here with Dave. Man, how you doing today?
Doing good. How are you?
Hey, it is well with my soul. We are standing in front of the LTBS. That's a lot of letters, and we have an expert here to explain exactly what that means. So, hey, let's dive in, man. What do we need to know?
Well, this is our MicroTurn LTBS. It's a high accuracy mill turn machine, and it's amazing. It's high accuracy, it's fast. You can do parts all in one machine. You start with the main spindle and process it through the different elements of the machine to the sub spindle and out. The L, to kind of explain that, the MicroTurn L is the main spindle, and back in here you see a linear slide, and that's a static slide that's bolted to the bed of the machine. And you put your static turning tools and drilling tools and so forth on that. If you need more tools as your parts get more complex, you'll need more tools. So the T in LTBS is the lower turret, and we have a 12-station BMT 45 turret that's all stations are driven. So we've got 12 more tools in the game on this machine. And if your parts get more complex than that, you need more tools. The B in the model name is the B axis spindle. This is a 12,000 RPM, 24 horsepower spindle that is full 5-axis capable and can work on either spindle. And right above that is a tool changer that you can go up to 72 tools. So you have 84 total tools on this machine if you need to go that many.
You sure the B in this doesn't stand for busy? Because that's exactly what this machine is doing. I'm seeing all types of parts on all axes here. Nothing short of impressive. We're seeing chips all over the machine. That means, hey, money's being made and work is being done, right?
That's right, that's right. And the S is the second spindle. So in this machine, you've got two spindles. And this one isn't a sub spindle. It can be the same as this one, 52 millimeter. So you can feed 2-inch bar through either one of these spindles. And one thing you'll see is it's a vertical bed machine. So your X-axis on this machine is actually the main spindle moving up and down and the second spindle moving up and down vertically. And they move in and out in Z. And the lower turret and the B spindle move in and out in the Y-axis. And then you have C on the chucks, so it's a 9-axis machine in total.
Wow, 9-axis. How many tools again?
72 up top, 84 total.
Oh my goodness.
Plus the tools you could put on the dovetail slide.
Wow, so you got some in the chamber, some loaded up in the spindle, providing all those. I get convinced that B stands for busy, because that's exactly what this machine is going to be. Now, aside from that, I know that the brains behind all the muscle is the controller. Let's dive into that a little bit, because I understand there's a little bit of uniqueness there we got to hear about.
Yeah, this is the Siemens control, and one thing that you notice, it's large, it's a flat screen, it's the Spinner Touch Panel 4.0. And you've got your digital readout, it's a triple channel programming system, so you've got 3 programs that are synced together, making this particular part. You've got the jog buttons and coolant and chip conveyor on and off. Also, this is a really nice screen of the tool changer on top of the machine, so you can see the status of that anytime.
So I feel like it's less like what can the machine do and more what do you want to do with it, right?
Right. and it's a good machine for any industry, any part really, any material. You can do hard turning on this machine, greater than 60 Rockwell, so all of your tool steels or metals that are heat treated very hard, this can handle it all day long. The part envelope is about 9 inches, almost 10 inches in length, and about 6 inches in diameter for your turning length and OD turning. So if you can fit it in that envelope, you can make it on a MicroTurn.
There you go. Yet another winner from our friends at Spinner. Hey everybody, this is Eddie with MTD CNC. Hey, we'll see you next time.